We try many products for our body and hair, don't we? Who knows what we have used for a healthy life and a healthy body? Especially for hair, shampoos, creams, vitamins, natural methods, such as whatever comes to your mind, such as shampoos, creams, vitamins, natural methods. How many people are there who do not ask the question, I wonder if hair loss will stop this time? Therefore, those who continue their research and come across Centaury Oil, you are in the right place right now. Centaury Oil. It is also known by different names such as swordgrass, herb, bloodgrass. This oil is collected from spear-shaped branches with flowering tips. Centaury oil, also known as herbaceous plant, is collected from the ends of branches ranging from 8 to 50 millimeters. The yellow or red color of the flower at the ends of these branches determines the name of the centaury. Now that we know the plant, we can move on to its benefits. Here are the benefits of Centaury Oil. 1. Delays aging. Did you know that Centaury Oil, which benefits many parts of the body, delays aging? The oil, which ensures that body functions continue to function in a healthy structure, delays aging by meeting the needs. 2. Comes against infection. A person's body can become infected due to reasons such as open wounds. However, a person using Centaury Oil may have a more resistant body against infection. Therefore, you can use oil in line with your diseases. You can have a resistant body by taking enough. 3. Runs the digestive system. People who have difficulty in removing waste materials from the body can get help from Centaury Oil. The oil, which helps the digestive system to work, can be an impressive solution against possible problems. 4. It makes the hair beautiful. We came to the part we were eagerly waiting for. Centaury Oil has multiple benefits for hair. The oil, which affects hair health, nourishes the hair in terms of vitamins and minerals. In this way, the hair has a beautiful structure. 5. It is good for damaged hair that has lost its shine. Your hair can wear out for many reasons, such as stress, vitamin, and mineral deficiency. A person who resorts to methods such as cream, shampoo, medicine can also find the solution in natural methods. Especially products such as Centaury Oil can return the hair to its former form. This oil, which is good for fractures, can come against both shedding and wear and tear. In this way, you can regain your hair that has lost its shine. Meanwhile, Centaury Oil, which is the center of attention with its many beneficial properties, should be used in a controlled manner. It should be used in line with the recommendations of experts, and allergic reactions should be taken into account. Therefore, it would be the best decision to consult a specialist and buy Centaury Oil after receiving the necessary information. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button. You can specify what you want to add about Centaury Oil and what you are curious about in the comments section. We wish you a healthy and happy life. For more information like this, you can visit our website via the link in the description.